Is that have the staff that have harassed citizens just after the latest IGP pronouncement. Has anything been done to them? Have they been arrested? It's a situation whereby even last week, even this week, yesterday SARS were on the street harassing people. So, you ask us to give you CRU. Every time you're being tagged, your police CRU. What has come out of it? What are you doing? Expect me to come to your house and tell you that? We talk about these things. People give you videos. People give you their names. The SARS police said to us that they will waste us and nothing will happen to them. Do you know what they said to citizens? They also said to citizens that, oh, the worst thing that will happen, they will change us from this station to another. So when you see us here at Pain, when you see some people shouting, it's because we've been talking to you for a long time. Frank will buy you, you know, say you feel yandy. May drop this English. You know, say sometimes when we talk all these things, we don't speak anyhow. No, we come to pitch. This talk where you dey talk na yarns. You go talk and finish, you go enter inside house, nothing go happen. We don't tire. They don't they kill us. I don't want me to carry my picking cause say you don't die. Because make it go happen. Okay, you see me like this, I'll be a show woman. Any time we touch my picking, we go die there. I tell you. So before we get to that place, let us do this thing in a lawful manner. There is nothing wrong with the IT coming out saying, oh, if you are not sure,
we want IG. We want somebody's father, somebody's mother, somebody's uncle, somebody's aunt, somebody's nephew, somebody's niece, somebody's boy.